Hi friends, today we are going to see about the difference between JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Many of the students have this doubt. Mostly this doubt arises in the ninth and 10th standard students because they just start preparing for the examination. And the main difference between JEE Mains and JEE Advanced is if you write JEE Main, you can go to an NET college, not an IIT. If you write an JEE Advanced, you will be going to an IIT. For writing JEE Advanced, you must inside the top 250,000 rank in the JEE Mains. That was the main criteria for writing JEE Advanced. That was the outline what you should understand. So let's see the eligibility for JEE Advanced so that you can understand the clear difference. For eligibility for the JEE Advanced is first criteria you must be inside the 250,000 students in paper 1 of JEE Mains, and number of percentage of students for each category is allotted are 10% for general and 27% for OBC and 15% for SC and 7.5% for ST and remaining 40.5% for open. All the details I have shared in the display so that you can view it to know it. That was the first criteria, and in the first criteria I have said that the percentage of category students will be allotted. So these are the students who got inside the rank of 250,000 in category wise in 2020. This may vary year to year, so you can take it as reference. The next criteria is age limit. If you attain an age 17 at class 12, it is enough for you writing an JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. This date is for JEE Advanced 2020, so you cannot confuse it. If you attain an age of 17 at the class 12, it's enough for an age limit to write an examination. Criteria 3 is number of attempts. You can attempt only 2 times, maximum of 2 times in 2 years, so you should be careful. You cannot write JEE Advanced more than 2 times in more than 2 years. After that you cannot go to an IIT for the lifelong, so you should be careful. For the 12th mark is concerned, you should have 75% of mark in the 12th. That was the main criteria for the JEE Advanced. You should have 75% of the class 12 examination. That was the main criteria from the NTA and JEE Mains and Advanced. And with physics, chemistry, maths as your compulsory subject in 12th. That was the main point you should have in your mind. Let's see the difference between JEE Mains and Advanced in pattern. JEE Mains consists of 2 papers. First paper is BTech and second paper will contain B Arc and B Plan. Third and JEE Advanced will have paper 1 and 2. JEE Mains is concerned in paper 2, B Arch and B Plan students can directly go to IIT if they secure a good mark. For paper 1 students, BE and BTech, they should secure a good mark in JEE Mains. That means 97 percentile, 98 percentiles, like as I said earlier, inside 250,000 students rank, they can go to JEE Advanced to write paper 1 and paper 2. These both papers are compulsory to write. Each paper is of 3 hours and it is a total of 6 hours examination in a single day. And paper 1 and paper 2 both consist of physics, chemistry and maths, and JEE Mains paper 1 consists of physics, chemistry and maths. That was the main criteria for this. In an outline, you should know that JEE Mains is for NIT colleges. If you need to go to an IIT, you need to write JEE Advanced. For writing JEE Advanced, you should clear JEE mains with inside 2,50,000 rank and other eligibility criteria as we seen already. If you need some more details, you can go before the video and you can pause it to the slides and you can read it. So if you have any doubts, you can post me in the comments. I will post pattern of JEE Advanced and JEE Mains in my channel so that you can view it, so that you can't be confused by seeing this much in a single video. And thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comments. Thank you.